guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my Uber driver, Ranjit.
Hello!
Just kidding. This is my boyfriend, Dan.
Howdy.
You'll be seeing more of him in a couple weeks when we take our road trip to the Ozarks, so that will be fun. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon, so we decided to check out a cool park here in Lombard, Illinois. It's called Lilacia Park, and we're going to go see some tulips and some lilac bushes and just enjoy the weather. So we'll take you around there and show you all the pretty flowers. And then look what I got today. Sea crate. So that will be up within the next week. We'll do another unboxing. It's got amazing stuff in it, so I'm really excited to open that. So we're going to go inside and we'll see you soon. Okay, so we just got out of the car and we found this hilarious little note that some little kid left. It says, "I'm bored." We finally get to go home. So apparently somebody's kid really hated this park.
Well, I don't know where, because there's a library over there, there's a hospital over there, there's a church right
Well, I
there.
guess they could have been bored at the library.
So they could have been bored at the library, the hospital, or the church. Take your pick.
That's hilarious. Oh, you're fine.
Sorry.
Oh, the daffodils. Some yellow tulips. The website said it was in full bloom, but I am not buying it. Here's some pretty ones, though. I have no idea why a pink flower is called a black parrot. What the world? Well, and perhaps this is the right name for the pink ones, the pink vision. That sounds better. No idea.
So apparently there's lilac trees and lilac bushes.
Ah.
There's two different breeds.
Well, I learned something new today. I think that Daffodils are adorable. Like, I want to put like little googly eyes on them. You put like googly eyes like right here and have this be like a little snoot. It's like Alice in Wonderland when they have talking flowers. Pansies. These are another one that looks like they could have a little face. I love pansies. I don't know what those yellow flowers are, but they're cool. Babe, do you know what these are?
Flowers?
Yeah, I don't know. These are super cool. Well, she is a redhead. That's a train. Metro train to Chicago. Pussy willows. Are these like actually growing in this thing though? I've never seen them in a planter before. My grandpa had one at his house and we loved it when we were kids. Hocus pocus. The lilacs are not in bloom, so they lied.
I can show you where it's awesome.
I'm gonna go look at this purple flower over here.
How's that? That's not a fake smile.
And they smell delightful.
We're going down. We're going down.
It's a nice little concert spot. is actually really clever artwork.
Just make sure that you check the door to the hallway, like this back stairwell in the kitchen. Just make sure that's closed completely.
This one, not the one upstairs.
No, the one,
Yeah.
that like leads us upstairs. Just make sure that one's closed so we can get back in the kitchen.
Got it.
Cool.
All right.
No problem. You better not forget the table over there. I know. So the same single thing just walks out. Yeah.
Like, on the way to work.
Yeah,
He sees it.
They gotta go.
Hello. Sunday fun day, and we are in a forest, and we're going to have a picnic lunch. And we just saw a dude with a bunch of cockatoo birds, just like his pet birds that he's walking around. So that I'll put the clips of that in here. And then there's also over that way an elk pasture with a bunch of elk. So I'll see if we can get any shots of them.
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They think it's time to go to move.
If that's the way you want it, yeah. If you're coming in like this and you want to give them a pet or something, that's different. But if you're coming in like this,
Die Charlie.
you would see that as an opportunity to. Can you go this
How
way?
to take Charlie
It's
off?
okay. You're okay. You're okay. It's all
What
right.
we need to do to take Charlie?
Oh no, you have to leave him here
Okay, so he's gonna stay all day.
just for another hour or two. No problem. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Charlie.
Bye, Charlie. Bye, Charlie.
Bye. Oh, I love you. I'm getting rid of all of you. I'm tired of all you guys. Yes. There's one. There's two. You want to come up here? Who have I got left? Charlie? I got Charlie. Charlie.
He's using the bark to scratch himself, I think.
It's a toy.
Okay. It looked like he was trying to stick it in his feathers.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a good way to hold things.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you think about it, really, those are his arms.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, really? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Huh? Can I quote you on that? Huh? Can I quote you on that?
Are those your birds or?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, actually, not all of them. I'm babysitting this one.
You're babysitting that one?
Yeah.
How do you babysit a bird?
Actually, a bird's a bird, but it just comes and hangs out with his buddies.
Okay.
They're all really good to each other. They all groom each other, play with each other. You see what he's doing, how he's got those feathers? And they're sticking up like this? He's done that on purpose. That's like smiling.
Okay.
He means he's very, very happy.
It's cute. Do any of them talk?
I love you. I love you.
How old are they?
How old are they? He's almost 6. Not quite 6. 16 and a half-ish. 21 going on 22 in August. And I don't know. I can never remember what she tells me how old he is. I love you. You're a very beautiful bird. You're a very beautiful little bird.
Oh, here's one. This one's open. I have no idea what that is, though. This one's like bloomed. There's a whole bunch over here. have no idea what these are. So there's a little chippy monk I saw dive into this hole. And
keep bugging by this hole, he's gonna stay on there. He doesn't want to pop
I
up.
know he's gonna come out.
His camera's
But I left him a crumb of bread, and I brought an offering of acorns for you, little Chippendale. And you can wear this one as a hat. So you enjoy, little buddy. There's a woodpecker. I don't know if I can get close enough to him. There he is. There's the little woodpecker. It's little Woody. He can't decide which tree he wants. I kind of want to like build a forest fort this summer since we find a bunch of them all the time. But this would be an excellent spot because look at all the downed trees that we could use.
Yeah, that would be good.
I say we get our group together and we come build a fort with all this dead wood. And it's very close to our house. And then, if I ever kick you into the doghouse, you could come and sleep in our fort.
I might stay. I might stay in the fort.
But your actual landlord is going to be Chippendale over there. And you're going to have to pay rent and acorns.
Yeah.
You're going to have to bring him his feast every day. Otherwise, he's gonna go and take over your fort. Where did you get fire from? Like, that's Smokey the Bear's nightmare.
I think it's out of fluid anyway.
It's like in here trying to start forest fires. So I found a wild bleeding heart bush in the forest. Pretty little flowers. There's a lot of nice wildflowers in this forest. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is this a good spot for a forest fort? It's got some good structures. So like we go hiking all the time and we've come across so many hidden forts and forests. Some of them have actually been quite epic. So I've been wanting to build my own. So I think we should gather our friends and come out here and make the most epic fort ever. And if that happens, I will take you guys along for the building journey. But I think this would be a great spot. Yep. It'll be interesting to see how overgrown this gets by summer though, because all this stuff that's turning green might end up getting pretty tall. It would just be more hidden that way. Found a fairy door. There's a fairy door in the tree. Hello, fairies. And he spotted some object over here, so we're gonna go see what that is. And we've got lovely sun flares, because it's golden hour, which is my favorite time of the day. So, what did we happen across here? What is this contraption?
Some sort of feeder, maybe. Although I'm not really sure.
Oh, I bet This might be a mosquito trap to test how many mosquitoes there are. So we used to have one in our backyard at our old house. They paid us to have it there. So they like can get in and then they can't get out, and then they count how many female mosquitoes are in there to know if they have to spray or not. So that's my guess, is that some sort of insect trap, because there's like liquid in there and dead insects. So, oh, there's a label on it. Yes, insect trap. Government property. Do not disturb. Are we disturbing it? It's probably somebody's dog. Unless it's like a giant coyote or something. Here's some more beautiful flowers. These almost look like wild petunias. But I don't know what they are. I wonder if they planted all of these, or if these just like naturally occurred. There's just so many different cool flowers in this area. So I don't just beach comb, I also find old bottles and stuff in forests. So I'm gonna go home and check out where this bottle may have originated. I don't know how old it is, but it looks like a milk bottle. And it says store bottle on it. Oh, there's more.
Bottles and pieces of metal.
Yeah, these are old. Because this is an old soda bottle. And it says North Shore, which is awesome. Because that's a Chicago reference. What does that say?
Some pieces of pottery.
Quality beverage. So I'm gonna have to look that up. We got a little jar. Yeah, here. This is. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty little pot. We got some pottery pieces. Plate. Here's another one of those milk bottles.
Must have been part of a landfill or something.
So now I kind of want to come out here and dig like I did in the other forest preserve. Like we found this other forest preserve has like an old neighborhood that's underneath it, and we found like hidden buildings underground and partial walls, and then a whole bunch of garbage that dated from like the 1930s to the 70s. So I went out there and picked up a bunch of the glass, but I know where this was manufactured. That's manufactured in Owens, Illinois. So I'm gonna collect some of these and do some research to see how old they are, but I do collect glass from forests as well. Here's another milk thing. And it's got the name Wieland on it. So that's interesting finds. This place just got more magical. So we also came across this old
It might be a windmill.
Frame for, I don't know if it's a wheel or what. Some sort of wheel. It's all like rusted metal, but it's a circular something. So yeah, there may have been some sort of neighborhood here at some point. I think this finally concludes our weekend vlog. It was longer than I expected. Today was kind of a last minute adventure, and obviously we found some things we didn't expect in the forest today, so that was fun. But I will be back later this week with Secret. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!